Hey everybody, and welcome back. My name is Sue and I'm from OML Embroidery, and welcome to my embroidery vlog. This week we're going to do an unboxing of a subscription box that I think you guys are really going to love. So why don't we get opening? Okay, here's the box. Now it's from a company called Dancing Stitches, and it is in Canada, and it is in Cambridge, Ontario, which is where I used to live, but it just happens to be fantastic. I have made purchases from them before. I got some Tula Pink quilts and quilt kits, because that's how I discovered them, because it was the only place where I could find the Tula Pink. So it got to me quite quickly, but I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this. Now I'm gonna say it's not an embroidery box. This one is a quilting box. So I'm gonna take this quilting box, practice my sewing, and then take it to my embroidery machine. And I hope you guys will join me doing this. All right, it's nicely packaged. Now I have looked at this because I did want to make sure that everything is gonna be what I want. So this is our first design, and it's Jelly Bean Row, Newfoundland. So isn't that cute? Little houses. Now we can quilt this whole block, but we'll talk about that after we get it put together. So these are the instructions, and it's pretty fantastic. Everything you need to do, how to sew it, it's all numbered, and it's not easy, but easier this way. I'm really liking. Block of the month tidbits. Well, this quilt will come together over the next year and is a celebration of Canada using symbols and landmarks. So even if you're not Canadian, it's super cute. It can be something else. So I love this. I love this. So the instructions are super clear, easy to follow, so that's good. And there's two projects. So this is a bee hexie, hexie or sexy table runner. So this is going to show you how to put all of this together and make this super cute bee table runner. So let's see the picture at the end. Isn't that cute? Now we'll be able to quilt here. We'll be able to quilt here, or individual hexagons, or we can do endless quilting on the whole thing. So, want to know the best part about this whole thing is all the pieces are pre-cut for you. Everything is pre-cut. So it's a lovely quilt. It's a lovely quilt kit because you don't have to worry about the cutting. And if you're not, a quilter or a sewer, it's kind of hard to get them cut properly. I'm telling you, it was one of my major struggles. And look, this is the bee table runner. And look, all of the hexies are cut out for you. Isn't that cool? I love it. I was so excited. I didn't realize they were all cut out. I actually have this pattern pack, so that's nice to see as well. Now you get a goodie. So this is a white water-soluble marking pencil. Okay, lovely. That is, you can never have too many of those. Now these are more pre-cuts, and this is obviously the going around the bee, but isn't that neat? You don't have to cut anything. All you have to do is practice your sewing, and you get everything. So this is the back of the bee quilt. So you don't have to worry about that. And believe it or not, guys, they even include the batting cut to the exact size. So I think this box is worth it. And I think this is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this template is for cutting out the triangles on one of these strips, so it's easy to do. You could do it with scissors or a rotary cutter, so don't lose that guy. That's perfect. And look, you even get yellow, perfectly matched yellow thread. This is lovely thread. I've gotten this another kill. It's Gutermann. So perfect. So everything you need to get sewing and practice your sewing. Little bit of cutting, but generally most of it is done for you. And you know, I've never seen a box quite like this. And I think it's really cool, especially for beginner sewers. Now we want to get better at our sewing so we can make better embroidered quilts. There's nothing to say that we can't do a little quilting design or a stitch design in some of these, maybe a saying. I'll put that together for you guys if you want. Now, they are in Canada, which is great for me. And I have spoken with the company and they're going to work on planning shipping for the States and overseas. Because I said, look, we have a very diverse gang. And if I'm going to do this, this is what I need to have. And they were all for it. Look at all these little pieces. Those are for the houses. Isn't that cute? I was thinking also for the houses, there's lots of room here to put signs, different signs and everything. So we can really have fun doing the embroidery on this as well. So you can get sewing and then we can dress it up that, you know, how we like it. And I think it's going to be fantastic. So 2 projects. Every single thing you need to complete the projects, other than maybe a sewing machine, but most of our embroidery machines convert over. And I'm pretty excited to get started. So I am going to show you guys the sewing, the putting together, and I'm going to be showing you the quilting that I come up with. So we're going to take their design, their quilting design, and we're going to kick it up a notch. So check them out. It's worth it. I'm so happy I don't have to spend time cutting. I can just get to the sewing and making it original for me. And I read all the instructions and I think we can do this. Now, this is just a little step up from what we normally do, but I think it'll be good practice. So yeah, check them out. Tell them that Sue sent you. They'll know that though. And let's get sewing. I think it's going to be a fun adventure. So join me on the adventure. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will accept the challenge of sewing quilt blocks or sewing a table runner. You might find that you really enjoy it. I do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!